It's a yummy day as always, and today's recipe is just so satisfying. Mexican burrito packed with flavors and nutrients. From the beans to the veggies, all so yummy. Now let me introduce the burrito gently. It is basically a full meal packed in a tortilla wrap. So it looks like shawarma, but they are different. Though similar, but the feeling makes the difference. So that is clear now. It's time, show time for the burrito. Get your tortilla wrap, ground beef, sweet corn, sliced fried beef chunks, basmati rice, red kidney beans, celery, carrot, onions, garlic, tomato paste, mixed spices, star anise, vegetable oil, scotch bonnet pepper, bouillon cubes, and salt. Some add cabbage or other fillings, but here is today's recipe. Let's start. Boil your beans and also your basmati rice separately and set aside. Shred your carrots, chop your celery and pepper. Set them also aside. Next, heat up your pan, drizzle a bit of vegetable oil and add your ground beef, garlic, mixed spices and lots of onions. Keep mixing till the onions are caramelized. Just look at this, so yummy. Then add all your sliced fried beef for that meat chunk taste, tomato paste, carrot, celery and scotch bonnet pepper. Add a bit of water or stock, mix it together till it reduces all the moisture, so lovely aroma, sweetness from the onions and carrots. This combination is totally legit. Reduce the heat and it's time to put the burrito together. But just before that, layer your rice, beans and sweet corn over the beef and veggie sauce and let it steam for just like a minute, okay, and it's done. Come closer. Yes, you can see the colors, so yummy. Now let's wrap. Bring out your tortilla and in no particular order, just layer all your goodness, the rice, beans, sweet corn and beef sauce. Add some mayonnaise, wrap it together. If you like, put it in the panini press for that grill mark like this. Cut and enjoy. You can also have any of your dip to go with this deliciousness. As you can see, it looks like shawarma, but the filling is on another level. Let me take a bite. So yummy in my tummy. It's really nice. Request yours and have a full day of goodness. Keep watching for delicious food. Bye. Thank you.